Hey there, good morning. This is your host, Jeff Ski Kinsey. It's morning somewhere, right? Hey, just a real quick shout out for one of the classes that we're offering. It's about root cause analysis. It's something I learned years ago in TQM, Total Quality Management, was something called the fishbone diagram as a way to try to determine the root cause of problems in a business. Okay? It wasn't very effective in my opinion. But then I discovered the work of the late Dr. Elliot Goldratt. And what I learned was this thing we now call the Wailing Wall. It's a session that you hold with the key leaders of a business and you document what the problems are, what went wrong. What went wrong today? You ask everybody, get everybody post-it notes, they stick them up on the wall. What went wrong yesterday, and the day before, and the week before? What you do is you capture just the stuff that went wrong, put it up on the wall, and then once you've beaten the dead horse, so to speak, you organize them into groups, and what you find is you've got one or two issues that are the primary causes for 90% of your problems, well over 80%. Okay? So, root cause analysis. I'd love to help you, and we can do it virtually. So check out the website, skiman.online, and let's get you the help you need to take your business to the next level.